never celebrate the ups and downs. We never celebrate the journey we went through for reaching that height. So we are here to experience that journey, and we are here to celebrate that golden era. And today, I would like to tell you that we stand here as a zero debt company. That is a big achievement, as only 3% of the companies in this sector hold this rank. So we went through ups, we went through downs, and finally we are standing here as a zero debt company. And this is all the hard work of the team, the dedication of the management, and of course the visionary leadership of none other than the chairman and managing director of Country Club, Mr. Y. Rajiv Reddy sir, who is here right now, and I would like to call him here. So please, he is truly deserving of the title, the Kings of the Clubs, because he has seen that era, that golden era, which I'm going to show you through an AV also over here. You will see what Country Club was, is, and will be. Sir, I would like you to speak few words.
Thanks, Ella, and thank you for being here, my dear friends from the media. It's been a long time since I am addressing a media conference in Pune. Things have been wonderful the last few months. I will come back to you and explain to you in detail. As Ella was telling you, I mean, the biggest achievement was the company attaining the zero debt status, which is in fact a remarkable landmark victory, especially compared to other peers in the industry. Our biggest asset is real estate. Even the Hyderabad Country Club, only one club is valued at about 1,000 crores. I bought it 35 years back. 89 was 36 years back. I bought it for 1 crore. Today it is only one property is worth about 1,000 crores. Started 2 big projects, each about 500,000 square feet, and we may come up with the future real estate projects. If you know our background, we were one of the biggest builders in Hyderabad, called Amruta Estates. From the year 80 to 90, 10 years, we were the single largest builders, and the name Amruta was a brand name, and because of that, actually we sold the Country Club concept, and so we are again back into real estate, apart from continuing our growth through the franchise route in Country Club. Some of the land which are not utilized, but our first job, the particular point of time, we wanted to become zero debt because we wanted to have the Country Club new energy, new mindset, fresh mindset. So that is one big step we have taken, and we are very happy we have done that, because a lot of people have got into a lot of problems. So you see a lot of cases are pending before NCLT, this bank, that bank, and all that. So we have not done that route, and in fact, we were the first persons to settle off all the banks and come back aggressively into the market in a very big manner.
What are the CSR activities in the country?
I beg your pardon?
What are the CSR activities in Pune?
Pune, we had this marathon run, and then, yeah, huge.
Which type of a social work are you doing?
In Pondicherry, we are doing.
Not in Pune.
In Pune, we have participated in marathon, madam, basically. Yeah.
सर जहाँ पे ट्रैवल कंपनीज फ्लॉप हो जाती है, इतने सालों तक नहीं चला पाती है, बट आपका क्या सक्सेस मंत्र है सर? सक्सेस वाला क्या सीक्रेट है आपके बिजनेस में?
Success, we have got 4 verticals. One is clubbing, one is health and fitness center, one is events and management, and one is holidays. There is no other company in the world actually which are having 4 concepts together in one membership. Abhi, if you see our business model, no, we are like accessible, value for money, and contrary to what people might say, we are not exclusive, we are inclusive. Abhi Indigo dekho, packed Indigo. That is the one model I can maybe compare. Indigo is packed. Why? Because of the pricing, and because of they maintain the time schedule. Maybe earlier I used to travel only in business class, but I travel by Indigo also if it can take me time, because people don't have time to wait nowadays. So the discipline what they maintain is, I think, is really good, and that is the kind of service what we expect to give it to our members also.
सर आप फ्रेंचाइजी के माध्यम से फ्रेंचाइजी देने के लिए आप कितना अमाउंट?
No, hardly. We don't take much amount. We just send our members there, and the members they get a 20% discount normally. So हमारे को कुछ उसमें फायदा नहीं है ज़्यादा, बट हमारा members को फायदा है, and of franchise owner को फायदा है, because उनको normally let us say 60% occupancy, 70% occupancy है, तो और एक 10-15% उनको बढ़ जाता है आगे.
स्टार प्रॉपर्टी है,
Why Star property? Star बोल के नहीं बोल सकते. It is more or less like a community. Country Club is, if you look at the profile, no, it is the biggest family chain. You find more number of families in the Country Club than any other club. Nana, nani, members, wife, बच्चे, this thing. So पूरे मिलके आते. So there is a concept we have encouraged, and we have been very successful at it.
I see. Nice. So my question is,
देखिए ना, आप विराट कोहली के साथ ब्रांड को टाई अप करें ना, कम्यून 8. So that's for the younger generation. People, they come, they crowd, they play, they dance, and they have so many other activities. Plus we have a lot of sports activities for the kids also. Our health clubs are super actually. They are one of the best in the world actually.